Hey there mga my loves, Libra! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So bago natin simulan ang reading na to for you guys, no? Our content pala is we're gonna take a look at ano ba yung mga na remaining na mga pwede or posibleng maging kaganapan for your bago matapos ang year 2023. So bago tayo tumapak ng 2024, alamin natin kung ano pa yung mga possible na mga pwedeng maging events, no? Na pwede ninyong i-look forward or i-watch out. So, yun, na bago natin simulan to, no, reminders muna na hindi po all of you ay makaka-resonate. Kaya naman, piliin mo lamang yung mga mensahe na sa tingin mo ay for you at kung feel mo na ready na tayo para sa'yo, then this reading might really for you. Yan, no? Timeless din ito mga babes. Pwedeng nangyari na or nangyayari ngayon sa kasalukuyan or pwedeng hindi pa at isang predictions sa inyong future. So let's go ahead and check out. This is for Libra. Okay, so thank you so much, Person Angel, guys. Archangel Michael. This is for Libra. Ano pong pwede pang posibleng remaining events before year 2023 ends for my Libra? Can you please show us? Ano pong mga possible events na pwede pong mag-arise or mangyari? This is for Libra. Bago tumapak ng 2024, can you please show us messages for Libra? Remaining possible events for Libra before 2024 begins. This is for Libra. Libra, yung bintana nyo ba may parang rehas-rehas, no? Hindi ko sinasabing nasa bilangguan kayo. Pero maaaring yung bintana nyo is merong mga rails or mga bakal. So this could be your reading. That's very specific. Pero just take how this resonates. Yan. Okay. Let's go. Libra. Libra, ilatag na muna natin. You've got the Ace of Cups. Right off the bat. Someone here is about to express an overflowing love for you. Excuse me, this is not a cup, honey. This is a fountain. At nakikita mo ba yung dalawang cute na sisiw doon? Ang cute! Yung iba sa inyo, new connection ito, no? Pwedeng meron kayo ditong sasagutin this Christmas season. I'm seeing Christmas trees, pine trees are here. Pwede rin naman na kayo ay nasa malamig na lugar like Baguio, Tagaytay, but doesn't have to be. I just pick it up. Pwede naman yung iba, merong winter or snowy season dyan sa country. Baka sa ibang country ka ngayon. Pero, or maaring siya is taga ibang country. Pero kung sino man yan, no? I don't know, pero I'm getting Twitter here, ha? So, maaaring makausap mo siya or makilala mo siya sa Twitter, no? This is the type of connection na pasimula pa lamang, no? So, pwedeng may sasagutin ka na, no? Ngayon, bago tumapak ng 2024 or ito ay nakikita ko na magsisimula agad-agad, no, sa pagtapak ng 2024. Ang taray! Alam mo ba na ito ay mga munting lovebirds, no? At nakikita ko na pwedeng mauwi itong simulang connection na ito sa marriage. Wow, yung iba ka-connect nyo na yan. So, anong ginagawa nyo rito? Maaaring mag-travel rin kayo, no, sa ibang bansa, no, kung saan may snowy season. Or galing kayo sa ano to, yung Hong Kong Disneyland, di bago yung, ron, attraction, di ba, yung Frozen, no? Do you wanna build a snowman? Yan. So yun, whatever the case may be, Libra, just take how this resonates, but someone is about to give love to you. It's not just a cup, but it's a fountain of love. Taray! Ibig sabihin nun, magiging emotionally available siya sa'yo, and this is the right guy and the right woman that you're looking for. Ini-embodies niya ang katangian ng mga ninanais mo sa isang part partner. So, yun na nakikita ko dito, Libra. So, let's move forward. You've got right here the Hermit. Yeah, ang tagal mong hinintay itong pagkakataon na to at ito na nga sumulpot na ang love. Yung iba sa inyo na pwede matagal kayong single dito na pero hindi na kayo magiging single. Single no more na para sa mga single dyan dahil nakikita ko rito na isa itong bagong adventure kung saan maaaring mahilig kayo sa backpack. Ayun, no? Yan. It's a luggage bag. So, nakikita ko dito that this type of connection here will take you out of this world. Yan, no? So, pwedeng magulat ka rin, no? Kasi yung iba sa inyo, like, literally, magiging mabilis ito. Yes, no? Paano mo nasabi, Miss yan, hermit nga yan, di ba, that mabagal, no? But the energy giving out in this readings vibration, the frequency that I'm getting is that magiging mabilis ang flow nito. Like, literally, yung iba sa inyo, you will move out, like, sasama ka dito sa person na to. I'm telling you. You're gonna pack all of your bags right here and you're gonna go together with this person. Kung saan man siya rito nakatira, and you're gonna move in together. Yeah. That's how fast it is. And I'm seeing it happening 2024 here for you guys. Yeah. Wow. But I think your worry here, is this the right one for me? Baka mamaya iwanan ko niyan sa ere, baka mamaya pag sumama ako dyan, talo ako, Miss yan. No? Well, I'm not getting that kind of vibe kahit dalawa pa lang yung nilalapag natin dito. Remember, if you happen to be staying in this channel, you already know me, honey. Okay? I'm reading not because of cards. I'm reading based on energies and what I'm seeing in my mind. Okay, in my vision. So, if this reading is yours, okay, you've got to cling on that positive outlook because whoever that guy or girl who will sway you off your feet or swift you off your feet will definitely be the right one for you, Libra. Taray, no? And, oh, two of swords. Sakto sa holiday yan ginagawa mo. See? What did I told you? You've got the Four of Wands energy, Libra, honey. So, ibig sabihin, with the Four of Wands energy, pwede talagang mauwi ito no, sa isang mas malalim na koneksyon. Pwede magsimula or nagsimula kayo niyan sa asaran na baka katrabaho mo siya. I'm seeing you both wearing IDs here. Okay, but doesn't have to be kasi ang mas nakukuha ko rito, pwede makilala mo siya, yes, sa isang gathering, handaan, birthday, and okasyon, or whatever the case may be. Pero nakikita ko rito that with the Four of Wands, no, nakikita ko na magja-jive kayong dalawa. Like, you're gonna have this kind of same vibe, yan, no? And you're gonna be happy together, no? Pero alam mo, dito, nakikita ko, no? Kahit nakikita nyo dyan is kainan, ako nakikita ko dito, this is you, okay? You're gonna be talking here with a planner. This is wedding. Talking about wedding. I'm seeing you settling talaga with this guy and girl right here. Kung sino man yung bago nyong kakonect. Like, definitely not your ex. Kung may boyfriend or girlfriend kayo now, at mga babes, bago pa lang yan, no, nakikita ko rito, no, na yan yung tinutukoy rin dito, no, ng energies here. So, whoever did this guy or girl right here, like, you'll never know, no, nabigla mo nalang pag-uusapan tong kasal and there's this wedding planner, what is the motive of this wedding, anong gown, everything, no, like, everything will happen so fast, no? So, hindi ko na mabilisan yung ganun kasi ang hinhin ng galaw ko eh. So, nakikita ko dito, Libra, no? Someone here will steer your emotions and feelings like halo-halo yung emotions and feelings rito, no? Tapos, pagkatapos mong haluin to, no, may usok na lalabas na may heart. So, yun, no? Nakita ko doon. So, ibig sabihin, if you're single, I'm seeing someone here that you're gonna fall in love with this person so fast, okay? But, okay, this person is not the type of person here na mang-iiwan sa iyo. Yes. Okay? I'm seeing marriage with whoever that person is. Okay, so let's keep moving. Yan. Page of Cups. Eight of... Naku, may naka-quarantine dyan, no? Wala naman ng COVID ngayon, mga babes. Tsaka huwag kayo matakot sa COVID na yan, okay? Basta inom lang kayo ng maraming water, keep distance, 'di ba? Mag-wear pa rin kayo ng mask, especially sa pag mga matatao, even though may laya na tayo ngayon, no, to wear mask or not. Yan, no? Pero you know what? I'm seeing someone here isolating. Definitely not you. Okay? Pero meron ditong lalayo. Yeah. Lalayo with the death card right here. Whoever this individual is, you've cut your connection from this person. Yan, no? Alam mo, nakikita ko na in-isolate niya yung sarili niya sa'yo first. Pero nakikita ko na parang itong pag-isolate na to, itong pag-end na to, I think siya yung nag-end ng connection ninyo first. Nag-end ng connection ninyo una, nilayuan ka, una, siya yung nauna, lahat ng yan. Pagkat sa buhay niya sa'yo, okay, this person did that. That's what I'm getting. I think that person did that to you first, okay? And this person, okay, is now trying his or her best. May isip niya yan bago pumasok yung 2024 kung sino man to. Okay? Okay, nakikita ko rito na parang kang multo, no, na makikita niya dyan. No? Bawat lingon niya parang kang isang aparisyon. So, maaaring ginos ka nito, no? Nakita mo ba yan? So, gusto niya ng rebirth dito, no? Gusto niya dito ng himala with you guys, no? Pero tingnan mo naman, no? This person here has that big ego. Ang daming padlock, ang daming lock rito, no? Na parang walang kahit na sino makaka-enter dito ng kanyang space. Okay, I think this person has to work with his or her ego right here. Yeah, definitely Knight of Swords. Nagmadali kasi siya sa pagdedesisyon rito na ikat ka sa buhay niya, kung sino man siya, no? Kinat ka niya sa buhay niya, nagmadali rin siyang umalis, nagmadali siyang lumayo sa'yo rito ngayon. Okay? Gusto niya magmadali bumalik or magmadali na, sabihin natin hindi bumalik. Magmadali na makipag-communicate sa'yo. Pero, yan pwedeng gusto kanyang mauna kasi nakikita ko rito na parang hindi siya ready na ibaba ang ego niya. Kahit gusto niya rito mag-reach out sa'yo. See? Told, yeah. So, Libra, nakikita ko pa dito mga babes, no, that aside from that, meron ka rin ditong Two of Swords energy. So, maaaring sakto, holiday season ito, na nakikita mo ba yan? Maaaring meron kang mahirapan ka, magkaroon ka ng confusion rito, pwedeng bagay yan. So, hindi mo alam kung anong bibilin mo, kung ito bang 80% na crop top na yan, or itong 80% no, na almost off-shoulder, yan, na damit na yan. So, maaaring meron kang pagpilian. Doesn't have to be clothes or what, no? Pwedeng ganon. Parehas dito ng sale, parehas silang sale, or parehas silang mga babes na maganda sa paningin mo, so maaaring ma-confuse ka. Pwedeng ganon, ganun ka babaw for others of you, no? Pwedeng iba yan, no? Pwedeng iniisip mo rito, gusto mong bumili ng bagong cellphone, but you have options here, you do not know if you're gonna buy Android or you're gonna buy, what's this, iPhone. So, yan, no? You have options here at maaaring bago mag-end tong 2023, may bibilihin ka pero hindi ka pa makapag-decide because they're both on sale. They're both maganda, no, sa price, no, at hindi mo alam. You just need only one, no, parang isa lang yung dapat bilhin ko rito. You're just being adamant to that. You're having this kind of decision na tayo mo magmadali. Okay lang yan, mga babes, huwag ka magmadali, no. At buwasan mo rin kaya yung kaka-Starbucks mo. Ayun, no. Charos. So, nakikita ko dito, no, na pagdating sa food, binibigay mo yung hindi luhoy, binibigay mo yung treat, tinitreat mo yung sarili mo. Pagdating sa food, no, you're not madamot with yourself. So, yan, no. If you like to drink milk tea or Starbucks or whatever it is, no, favorite drinks outside in your favorite restaurant or from your favorite ice cream parlor shop, whatever, no. So, nakikita ko rito that you're having this kind of confusion, no, pagdating rito sa bagay na pwede mong bilhin. Baka gusto mo 'to regalo sa sarili mo, no, tapos nape-pressure ka kasi tingnan mo yung eyebrows mo dito, parang ang lapit na ng Pasko, hindi ko alam kung anong susuotin ko sa Christmas party, this or this. Or parang ikaw 'to na ano pa regalo ko sa sarili ko, ano ba yung ano, babalutin ko pa yun, lalagay ko pa sa Christmas tree, tapos lalagay ko pa yung pangalan ko dun. To collective, from collective rin, 'di ba? Parang gano'n. So, whatever the case may be, Libra 'yan, no? Ikaw 'to na maaaring ma-confuse ka between two things. Yung iba, mga babes, no, may options diyan when it comes to situations naman. No, nakikita ko rin yun. Either a-attend ba ako ng event na 'to or wag, or punta ba ako dito or wag na lang. Yan, nakikita ko rito. Okay? Yung iba, makakakuha kayo rito ng parang invitation. I think very specific to, no? Meron kayong kamag-anak dito na parang maaaring lalabas sila, pupunta sila sa isang amusement park or kung saan may parang tourism attractions or tourist attractions dito, no? Yan. At maaaring isama ka nila. Nakakita kasi ako rito ng parang bata, no, na nakahabok sa kamay mo. So, whatever the case may be, I'm seeing someone here na pwedeng invite ka ng pinsan mo. Tara, labas tayo dito, pinsan. Yan, no. Kasama ko dito si Junakis ko. Yan, no. Tatlo lang kami. Mas maganda kung kasama ka. Yan, no. Ganun. So, that's very specific. So, just take how this resonates with you guys. And also, what I'm picking up now with the Hermit right here in the Ace of Wands, something here is great, no? Tsaka nakikita ko, lalabas ka na sa comfort zone mo, hindi ka na malulungkot this 2024 na actually, mag-iiba yung mundo mo. Like, from having this kind of, ano ba yung mellow? Yan, mellow, no, chill-chill lang yung tugtugan ng buhay mo noon, no? Ngayon, magiging rock na. Ano, Bon Jovi. Ibig sabihin ko doon, mga babes, no, you will have more excitement, no, sa mga paparating. Mas magiging excited ka sa mga paparating na mga happening sa iyong life yan, no. Meron rin akong nakikitang magandang balita sa trabaho mo. Yan, no. Doesn't have to be na direkta sa iyo, pero maaaring yung company is yung makakatanggap rito ng magandang balita or magkakaroon ng magandang status yung company kung nagkatrabaho ka sa company, no. At nakikita ko rito na maaaring may incentives kayong makuha because of that. Every employee working on that. Woohoo! Congrats, honey. So, nakikita ko rito, no? For others of you, I'm seeing you being happy here. Maaaring ikaw to, no, na meron ka ditong isa-celebrate aside from having this love of your life here, no? Meron kang isa-celebrate in terms of money goals. Yan, no? Whether you're doing business, whether you're entrepreneur, or whether you're working in a company, I'm seeing na meron ka rito ma-achieve na success. So, thank you so much, Libra. Sana ngayong love and life. Annyeong!